A Japanese multinational photography and image corporation with almost 80 years of experience is Fujifilm, also known as Fuji Photofilm Corporation Limited. It has changed from being a business that largely produced photographic film to one that provides a wide array of goods and services across several industries, such as healthcare, graphic design, and materials. This movie will go into the history of Fuji and how it has remained relevant for so long. Fujifilm was established in 1934. Fuji Photofilm Company Limited was the company's first name. The company was established as a manufacturer of photographic film and paper. In the years that followed, Fujifilm quickly established itself as a leading player in the photography industry, introducing new products and technologies that revolutionized the way people captured and preserved their memories. In the 1940s, Fujifilm expanded its product offerings to include motion picture film and X-ray film. By the 1950s, the company had established itself as a major player in the global photographic industry with operations in Asia, Europe, and North America. By this time, Fujifilm also began to experiment with instant camera technologies, which allowed users to instantly print photos. The 1970s and 1980s were a time of rapid expansion and diversification for Fujifilm. The company continued to introduce new products, including the first disposable camera in 1986. Fujifilm also began expanding into new areas such as medical equipment, magnetic tape, and electronic imaging. In recent years, the company is focused on expanding its presence in the healthcare industry, introducing new products such as medical imaging systems and regenerative medicine therapies. Today, Fujifilm is a leading player in the global imaging and healthcare industries. With operations in over 200 countries and regions worldwide, the company's product offerings range from photographic film and cameras to medical equipment and cosmetics. And it continues to invest heavily in research and development to stay at the forefront of technological advancements in its industries. Fujifilm offers a wide range of products and services in various sectors. The company produces digital cameras, lenses, and photographic films. In the photography and imaging sector, Fujifilm produces medical imaging equipment in the healthcare sector such as X-ray and endoscopy machines. In the graphic systems sector, the company produces printing equipment, and in the materials sector it produces films, tapes, and other materials. Fujifilm has a legacy of innovation and technological advancements. The company was the first to introduce digital cameras and also developed the world's first digital X-ray imaging system. Fujifilm's photographic films have also been widely used in the film industry, and the company has received numerous awards for its products and services. In the early 2000s, Fujifilm was involved in a controversy regarding the company's involvement in a price-fixing scheme with its competitor Kodak. The two companies were accused of conspiring to set prices for photographic film and paper, resulting in higher prices for consumers. Fujifilm was fined $10 million by the U.S. Department of Justice as a result of the investigation. One of the biggest weaknesses of Fujifilm is its dependence on the imaging industry. While the company has diversified its offerings in recent years, it is still heavily reliant on the photography and imaging sector for a significant portion of its revenue. This means that any downturn in the imaging industry could have a significant impact on Fujifilm's financial performance. Another weakness of Fujifilm is its limited brand recognition outside of Asia. While Fujifilm is a well-known brand in Japan and other parts of Asia, it is not as well known in other parts of the world. This can make it difficult for the company to compete with other established brands in certain markets. In addition, Fujifilm's lack of presence in certain key markets is another weakness. For example, the company has a relatively small market share in the smartphone camera market, which is a growing segment of the imaging industry. While Fujifilm has introduced smartphone camera lenses and other accessories, it has not been able to gain a significant foothold in this market. One of Fujifilm's main challenges is the decline in demand for traditional photographic film due to the rise of digital photography. To address this, Fujifilm has shifted its focus to other areas such as healthcare, graphic systems, and materials. Another challenge is the intense competition in the industry, which has forced the company to constantly innovate and improve its products and services. Fujifilm is currently one of the leading companies in the photography and imaging industry. According to a report, Fujifilm's revenue in the fiscal year 2022 is $22,479 billion, a 9.07% increase from 2021. Its revenue has been steadily increasing over the years, indicating its continued relevance and competitiveness in the industry. Fujifilm has managed to stay relevant for so long by constantly innovating and adapting to changing market trends. The company has also diversified its product and service offerings, allowing it to enter new markets and sectors. Additionally, Fujifilm has a strong focus on research and development, investing heavily in new technologies and processes to improve its products and services. Fujifilm's legacy, challenges, and current market position highlighted success and longevity in the photography and imaging industry. Despite facing challenges such as declining demand for photographic film and intense competition, the company has remained relevant and competitive by embracing new technologies, diversifying its product offerings, and focusing on research and development. As such, Fujifilm is destined to continue its success and stay relevant in the industry for many years to come. While Fujifilm has flaws, it has also showed tenacity and the capacity to adjust to shifting market situations. Fujifilm can continue to grow in the imaging business by diversifying its product portfolio, expanding into new markets, and investing in research and development.